Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth. And in today's video, we're going to go over how to do a baseless installation for your Baby Jogger City Go 2. Now remember, always read the manual of your car seat so that way you know how your car seat works and how it could work in your specific vehicle. Now, anytime you're doing a baseless installation, you want to make sure your child is buckled in the car seat first. You're going to set them down on the vehicle seat. You're going to grab your seat belt, and the lap belt is going to go over the child and over the car seat. I'm just going to buckle in like I would normally. Once we're buckled, you want to make sure the lap belt goes inside these tabs here. So there's a little gap that the seat belt can slide into, so that way you know it's in the right spot. And make sure you do the same thing for both sides. Now, your shoulder belt actually has two options depending on your vehicle. If the shoulder belt is not long enough, it's just going to go straight back up to the car. If it is long enough, you can do what's called the European route, where you grab the shoulder belt and it goes around the back of the car seat. You're going to see there is a blue belt tab that the shoulder belt can slide into. So in my car, we can do the European route. So I'm just going to grab the shoulder belt, feed it around the back, and make sure it's sliding through that blue tab. All right. Once you figure out how your shoulder belt is going to work in your car, the next thing you want to do is lock the seat belt. And the way you lock it is you grab the shoulder and you pull it all the way out as far as it can go. Now when it retracts, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. That ratcheting sound is the seatbelt locking in place. Now that we have our car seat in locking mode, we can begin to tighten it. So I'm going to push down on the car seat. I'm going to grab the shoulder belt and I'm going to tighten it. And I want to feed as much of the loose slack back into the car so it keeps tightening. The way to know this is snug enough is with one hand, you're going to grab the car seat from either side, grab it as close to the belt path as possible. And all you're looking for is an inch of movement. If the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Never check the car seat from the top part here. Nothing is attached on the back, so it's still going to be able to wobble and shake. That's where crash force is released from, so it's going to move from the back no matter what. The second thing you want to look for is the angle. The child has to be sitting at a certain position. If you look on the side of the car seat near the bottom here, there is a red line. You need to make sure the line is level with the ground. So if you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're on a hill, the line will be at a slant. If the line is not level, grab the car seat from the front and the back. You can reposition it, and you need to try and adjust it until it's as level as possible. Once the car seat is level and it's nice and snug, the installation is complete. When you're ready to remove the child and car seat from the vehicle, you're going to unbuckle the seatbelt first. If you've done the European route, you want to turn the back of the car seat toward the door. So that way it's going to be easier to get the shoulder belt out. Go. And when the seatbelt goes all the way back up into the car, it's going to reset back to normal. There we go. No more locking mode. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.